Hello, so what's your name and which class are you studying in?
My name is Tabitha Hussain Ongir and I'm currently studying in Standard 3 Venus.
Okay, lovely. So, what is your favorite subject in the school? And first, let me ask you, how many years are you in the school studying in?
I've been in this school for many years. It's my first school ever and I've been
Wow.
here since playgroup.
Wow, that is so amazing that you're studying your whole life in the school and hopefully you'll get your university admission from the school as well. So that's great. So let me ask you, what's your favorite subject and why is it your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Wow. Because I'm telling you, because I love mathematics as well. That's why I'm surprised that you love mathematics as well. So why is it your favorite subject?
It is my favorite subject because at first I got inspired by my dad. He also really likes mathematics and he inspires me to become good at mathematics in real life.
Okay. So your dad teaches you math every day?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That is really nice that you have such a wonderful teacher and also you get to bond with him learning as well. So that is great. And who would you say is your favorite teacher in school? Because I know your favorite teacher would be your dad, definitely. But who would be your next favorite teacher in school?
My favorite teacher is Najifa Miss. She currently teaches mathematics and history.
Okay, wow. So you like Nazifa Miss. Why is that?
Because she's very loving and caring and she teaches very well and I understand from her very well.
Nice. So that is a big shout out to Nazifa Miss because she could motivate our students to love mathematics from such a young age. From what I can remember, when I was little, I was really afraid of mathematics. But eventually, as my dad is also a math teacher, I love mathematics and I still do. So that's great to hear that you also love mathematics. And next question would be, what do you love about academia and what motivates you to wake up every day come to school?
To be honest, I love everything about academia and how everyone is so friendly and the teachers motivate us. And what actually motivates me is that I can learn new subjects every day and new topics that can motivate me to be a good person in real life.
Right. Wow. That is so noble thinking that you have thought of these from such a young age and you are trying to implement it. That is the most important thing because many people they only want but nobody wants to do it. But as you are actually doing it from playgroup, studying in academia and you're maintaining your daily discipline and routine, so that is really amazing and hopefully you have amazing success because mathematicians they have all their brains opened up, all the wires are opened up. All you need to do is have discipline. So that's great. One last question would be, what's your favorite thing to do at home or in the school during the break time?
During the break time?
Yeah, in the school.
In the school, I just socialize with my friends and maybe just talk to them and play with my friends.
Wow, okay, that is great. That is the best thing to do in the break time because we all come to school because of our friends, right? We want to hang out with them, talk with them, play with them. So that is the best thing to do in the meantime. So that one last question for you would be, if a new student wants to come to your class or to the school, what would you tell them? What advice would you give them?
I would tell them that everyone in our school is very friendly and the teachers are very inspiring and that everyone here can teach you to be better in real life and everything is really good here.
Wow, that is such a lovely answer and that is motivating to all the school teachers and management because you love the school so much and you are motivating other people to come to it. So thank you so much and we wish to see you reach greater heights from the school. Thank you.
Thank you very much.